Hi guys, welcome back to Gopi's Art Gallery, and today we are going to draw this painting right here. We have drawn this painting with the help of Gouache. So without further ado, let's start it. So first we have to draw a rough sketch of the painting we are going to make. And here is my brand new hemming gouache. I have fallen in love with this paint, to be honest. It's so beautiful and creamy. As you can see, I'm mixing it with a little bit of water and it's just amazing, guys. Try, okay? Just don't believe in my words, try. And now enjoy the painting. So right now I'm putting down the leaves with the help of zero brush. This brush toe brush is really good. It's the velvet touch variant, I believe, and it comes with a set of 6 brushes, different type. Every brush, 3 round brush and 3, one is flat brush, one is filbert brush, and another one is a angular brush. Each and every brush is awesome. Mark my words, I've never used such a good quality brush in such a cheap price. So let's see in the video. Sorry guys, I had made a huge mistake. As you can see, I have forgot to record the darker shade of the leaves, and I don't know what to say. I'm really sorry about it, but I can tell you what I did is I have put down the lighter shade first, and then I have put down the middle green and the dark green at the top of it, and yeah, that's just it. So Comment down below how you like it. This is the most easiest painting I have ever drawn, and it took me about only 30 to 40 minutes to finish and everything up. It's really easy. You should try it yourself. Not gonna lie, you're gonna love it. And if you're doing it on a gouache color, of course you'll love it because gouaches are really, really good, right? So, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment down below how you like it. And stay safe, stay happy. Till then, bye bye.